Two-factor authentication 2FA adds an extra layer of security to your Wells Fargo account. Follow these steps to enable it quickly and easily. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Wells Fargo website or open the mobile app. Enter your username and password to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to Security Settings. Once logged in, look for the Account Services or Profile section. Click on Security or Security Settings to find options related to two-factor authentication. Step 3. Select two-factor authentication. In the Security Settings, find the option for two-factor authentication. This may be labeled as two-step verification or multi-factor authentication. Step 4. Choose your authentication method. You will be prompted to select how you want to receive your authentication codes. Options typically include text messages, phone calls, or authentication apps. Choose your preferred method and follow the prompts. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. After selecting a method, you may need to verify your choice by entering a code sent to your device. Once verified, make sure to save your changes to activate two-factor authentication. By following these steps, you can enhance the security of your Wells Fargo account. Always remember to keep your contact information up to date to ensure you receive authentication codes without issues.